some of my exes self, if I look back self, some of my exes self, if I had a chance to talk to them right now, knowing what I know, having the maturity that I have now, I'll probably tell them sorry.
Yeah.
You know, not just one person, several people, right? Until not on some mere play money
That's
vibes,
all
Abby.
that I can.
But I did.
That's all I am. Manchester. It's a player or you who be a gamer. It's a player.
No.
You're not too far from that. Okay, Busia, 8 days to Vars Day. And exactly on 14th of February, this song will be on the playlist. Like I say, you won't bother and see, they're completely fractured as Charlie, this is one of your biggest song, right? I mean, this song is always on my playlist tonight. What's the inspiration? As a personal experience, and just, you know, the story came up and then you wrote something about it.
More of a personal experience, which I also believe that more people can relate to it. And so I decided that, okay, if I am personally experiencing this, and most likely millions out there probably going through that too, in some fashion, then it's only right. Not only do I put this together, but find the best execution for this song. And I like how you said this is my biggest song. And right ahead of a conversation about rap and melodies, where I was saying the best is let's put the two together and we'll be able to push it. This is the best. This is the best example for that conversation. Find that beautiful melody and attach it with your lyrical dexterity, and then make that magic. So yeah, that personal experience did happen, where, you know, I was caught between. You know, I was caught into a situation where it's like I realized that I am the reason why, you know, some people are going through an emotional breakdown.
Yeah.
You know, not just one person, several people, right? Until not on some mere play money
That's all that I can. That's all I am. Manchester. It's a player or you who be a gamer. It's a player.
No.
You're not too far from that.
Yeah, so not on some playman level, but if you look back, personally, if I look back, not just even with the people I'm with currently, but some of my exes self, if I look back some of my exes self, if I had a chance to talk to them right now, knowing what I know, having the maturity that I have now, I'll probably tell them sorry. And I have a feeling most guys have an ex or two who will feel that, girl is a treat and a fine there. So especially the people we've wronged in the past, the person you are there with, the honest on the fact that you are there with, you can atone and do so many different things, make them make happy again, right?
Yeah,
but the people that they are no more with you, those are the people that we send songs like this to the most and say, hey, I'm very sorry for putting you through some of these experiences and not giving my very best, because at that time, we didn't know it all. And the word love in Ankasan is a very big topic. To date, most people do not have a specific definition of what actually goes into it. Yeah, this song there, a boy, let's say, if you the ex be another girl, if you're a lady, let's say if you one case genuinely, you know that boy is it men treating a fine cry, another girl is men treating a fine cry. Sometimes if it's not because in treat one fine, it's just because at the time you didn't know any better. So if that is the case, then push these songs to and better send in direct simple ato kakanes ato WhatsApp status.